All right, what's going on, everybody? Mike Steps back, and today we got a little bit of an adventure. But first, we gotta get gas. Let's go vlog the music. Of course, today is the day that the music on the Santa dies, and for some reason I can't get it to work. Why wouldn't it be today? Well, I guess it's kind of fitting since we're going to be talking about music today. I don't know how closely you guys follow the music business or anything like that, but Jared Dines, one of my favorite music YouTubers, he's got some albums and stuff out. I'll link his channel down below. But he's actually gotten in some trouble with being demonetized for, honestly, what I think is some really stupid shit. I think today we're going to talk about how I feel about that. How I found out about this was through ultimateguitar.com. It posted, kind of reposted his tweets and whatever and kind of talked about it a little bit. So I went and checked out his channel because I didn't think it could possibly be true. But sure enough, he had a couple of videos demonetized. It's a guitar channel, it's a music channel, so he's gonna be playing cover songs and stuff like that. And so he's actually messing around with some little weird effects, kind of almost makes your guitar sound like it's talking. It's not really a talk box though, but gives it a little interesting tone. He ends up playing Smoke on the Water, and he's playing what, like 3 seconds of the song, just the first little intro. And he apparently got flagged and got demonetized on that video. So that is a thing. And honestly, if you don't know what Smoke on the Water is, I'll go ahead and play it right here. No! I'm just kidding. I don't want to risk it, even though I can't monetize yet. But in the future, you never know. You never know. But yeah, Smoke on the Water. It's one of those super popular songs. Everybody knows it. If you don't, then just look it up. Google it. You'll be like, yeah, I do know that song. So anyway, he got demonetized for that one for 3 seconds. That's insane. I think it's ridiculous. I don't know where I'm going. Rotor rig starting. Okay. Why not? Let's try this way. And then another one that he was posting about that got demonetized was he has a game on his channel called Guess That Metal Song or Guess That Song, whatever it is. I'm horrible at titles. But he basically plays 1 second of a metal song, and he has his co-host or guest or whatever you want to call them. He has them try to guess the song. And the one that got hit was him and his girlfriend. And I mean, they're playing literally 1 second bits, like 1 second intros to a bunch of songs, like stuff from like Pantera. I think they had some Metallica on there. They had some Atreyu, maybe Avenged Sevenfold. I don't know, some other bands. Maybe Whitechapel. Sure, why not? But that one got flagged, I believe, multiple times because there's multiple songs on there. Multiple 1 second clips of songs. That's two, honestly, pretty popular videos that got just kicked. Just YouTube was like, nope, sorry, bud, you're done. No more money for you. And it's not even just YouTube. Like, it happened on Facebook as well. A buddy of mine and his fiance, they're starting up this new foundation, almost like a recovery camp. The premise is pretty cool. I support it. I'm behind it. I'm gonna see what I can do to help. But it's called the SIC Foundation. SIC, sharing is caring. And the thought behind it is kind of amazing. And so they went out, like I said, we're in St. Louis, we're in Missouri. So they go out west to try and, capital investment, I believe. They're doing a big road trip, and they were live streaming on Facebook from their car during the road trip. And within about, I want to say 3 minutes or something, they got shut down by, I can't remember which record label, but somebody complained because they were listening to the radio in the background during their live stream, which I think it's kind of funny. But like at the same time, I totally get that. That's popular music. That is, straight up, that's background music coming off the radio. Everybody's got to pay for it, except, obviously you don't because you're Facebook live streaming. But know, that one I kind of understand. It almost seems like YouTube is slightly punishing content creators. You know, like, so yeah, there's a bunch of ways to get music on your channel. There's a bunch of legitimate ways and some questionable ways. But I guess my concern is every music channel, every musician is going to post some sort of cover song at some point in their life. And it just so happens, I guess, once you can monetize, you need to have, I believe, 4,000 hours watched in a rolling year, as well as 1,000 subscribers. So after you can monetize your channel, apparently you can no longer play cover songs or anything of that sort because you'll get demonetized. So, I mean, that's a copyright strike against you. After so many, then like, it all starts working against you. And at that point, once you get a strike or two, the whole algorithm starts working against you. You're not featured on any pages. You're not popped up next on, like, the suggestions. And you're getting demonetized. Kind of feels like YouTube is, in a way, punishing creators. And there are some really good services to get copyright-free music. I actually don't subscribe to any of these. I source my copyright-free music through YouTube itself. There are ways around the whole YouTube music crap, I guess would be the best way to describe it. Let me know what you guys think. That pretty much covers up my discussion on it. This is going to be a short one this week. But let me know what you guys think. Sound off in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you like it, tap that like button. If you dislike it, double tap that dislike button. Is not funny anymore? Alright, whatever. Anyway, keep it real, guys. I'll see you next time.